Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to search for keywords on a website and then we're going to count the keywords on that particular website. So I've already done the code. So first what you need to import here is the requests module. Now if you don't already have this on board, you can install it using pip. So what I've done is I've created a function called search keyword. I've created a variable called URL and assigned it to input and told the user to enter the URL. Then I've created a keyword, assigned that to input, so this is the keyword variable, and told the user to type in the keyword that they're searching for on the website. Now I've created another variable here called website, and this is where we use the requests module. Requests.getURL, which we've typed in there, and get the text. Now all we have to do once we've got that is we have to evaluate if the keyword is actually on that particular site. So we use the conditional if here. So we use if keyword in website, then we're going to print it out using the F string to format the string. So we're going to interpolate the keyword into there. So it will say the keyword found on website if the keyword is actually found on that website. Or else, if that's not the case, we have the else statement over here, which is the catch-all. Again, we print out the message to the user, formatting it and interpolating the keyword into here, not found. So if we don't find the keyword on the website, then we will tell the user not found. So let's just run that. So search keyword. Let's have a look. Search keyword. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. And get a little bit bigger, enter in the URL. Hit enter, it'll ask us for the keyword. I'm just going to type in teaching because I know this keyword is on here. Hit enter. Teaching found on the website. Let's just run that again. Let's do the same website here. This is the website name. Enter, type in something that's definitely not going to be on there. Rocket X. Searching, not found. So that's the first part of it. Now we know the keyword is on there. We're going to count how many keywords are on there. So let's just call this function here. This function is called count keywords. So again, we've got the URL, the website that we want to check, and we've got the variable here which we've assigned to teaching. So that's the keyword we're wanting to find. We've got the website variable again, we've got the requests, and then we've got a variable called count, which will store that, and then we'll print out the number of keywords on that particular website. So let's just run it and see what we've got here. So the number of keywords is 15 on that particular website. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you've got this far, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.